Hi kids! We're going to do this fast today because it looks like my camera's getting ready to die. Okay, first of all, this is what did I get this month. Now I've separated this into separate videos. I'm going to do my subscription boxes in one video. I did my ColourPop video. That was different. This is just what miscellaneous things that I bought. Not my subscriptions, not my ColourPop order. So, first of all, we're going to start out with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. It was $6.96. I am loving this. See if you can get a good look at what the packaging looks like. I get the one with the pink cap. I had a sample of this. This is a perfect example of I got a sample of this and it made me buy the product. This is the first micellar water that I've tried and I am enjoying it. Next, I got the Swisspers Swabs. It's 300 count. It was $1.50. It looks like that. You pick them up at Walmart. They work fine. I use these a lot for makeup and whatever else you're doing and stuff. And you know, you turn it around, it looks kind of cute. So, next I got these two samples. I got the Suave Moisturizing Conditioner and I got a TreSemme one. These I picked up at Walmart for 97 cents each. I like to pick up travel size like this. It gives me an opportunity to try different things and see if I like them before I buy a full size. I got these are from Avon. They're Footworks. They're maximum strength cracked heel cream. I use these all the time. It has antiseptic in it and it has lidocaine in it and it's extremely moisturizing. This one's empty already. I got a 2-pack of these off of Amazon. I usually just buy them off of Amazon. It's easier than contacting an Avon person. And usually an Avon representative, it'll take a couple weeks for you to get it. So I picked up 2 bottles of that for $14.40. Next, I got the Renpure Advanced Extra Strength Tea Tree and Lemon Sage Refreshing Moisture Conditioner for your hair. I have used about half of this so far this month. It's not very conditioning. I love the smell of it. And I have scalp problems and stuff, getting itchy scalp and whatever. This really helps. I thought what was really cute about this was on the back it says it's plant-based, gluten-free. They give back to charities. And it's tested on the Redmond family. Family owned and operated, tested on them, not on animals. I thought that was really cute. So it is, it's a very natural item. I'm not sure if I would buy it again, but it's doing what I wanted it to do. It's just not conditioning my hair. Okay, and that was $5.98. Next, I got the Herbal Essence Body Envy Volumizing Hairspray. This is the 4 Max. This is what I use all the time. This is the best hairspray I have used for what I need, and I've used this for years. I've used it since it had the all metallic orange bottle, and now it's changed to this, and I've been using it for longer than I want to admit. But it's my favorite hairspray. It's $3.99. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Rite Aid. It's easy to find. Next, I got the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream for $5.99. It is my favorite smell ever. It comes in these little jars like this. That's what it looks like. It's the soft. And I love jars. I know so many people dislike jars. They're like, oh, it's not sanitary and stuff. Well, wash your damn hands. It'll be sanitary. But I feel like I can get every bit out of here, and it smells amazing. Remember back in the 70s when things smelled good, and you know, when you you used your cleaning products, you actually smelled clean. You didn't smell like some kind of flour or some kind of, you know, cookies or whatever. You smelled like a clean person. That's what this smells like. This is a time machine in a jar. It works great. It smells amazing. I put this on every night when I go to bed, and it's like, oh, I just went back to my childhood. It's wonderful. Another product I picked up, and I picked this up at the dollar store. It is Udderly Smooth Hand Cream Daily Moisture. It's made in the USA. I don't know. I know it's not vegan, that's for sure. But it's very simple. I use it for a body cream. I don't use it for a hand cream. I don't think it's enough for a hand cream, but it's definitely enough for a body cream. And I use it primarily on my legs because I get real dried out. I'm diabetic, so, you know, I have problems with my skin drying out. So this is what I use, and it's wonderful. Love it. Like I said, I picked that up at the dollar store. Next, I picked up my favorite mascara from the drugstore. This is the Covergirl Supersizer, and this is the packaging. I have already been using it. This is what the product looks like. And it says that it increases your lashes, your volume by 400%. Maybe. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm wearing it today. This cost $3.41. That's kind of an odd number, isn't it? But, you know, I have like one of those cards, and you know how it is at Rite Aid and stuff. You use those cards and you get discounts. Okay, next I got an April Bath and Shower Bath Band. I bought 2 of them. They look like this. Use them in the shower. I just buy these at the dollar store, so they're $1 each. The thing about it is that sponges that you use in the shower, you should only use them for about 3 weeks, and then they start getting mold on them. So I just buy them at the dollar store. Whatever. You buy them, throw them away. No big deal. I just, mold. Yeah. Okay, next thing I got an AOA Shop Miss A order, whatever. I got a new fan for drying my makeup because this one broke. So it's just a fan I use to dry my makeup down. Cost $1. Next thing I got from Shop Miss A, these are the AOA Wonder Liplock. These are amazing. I don't use bullet lipsticks. I only exclusively have used liquid lipstick for forever. But these are $1 each. They are absolutely amazing. Swatch one here for you. That is a beautiful color. This is the color Spice. But all of these, you get them for $1 each. And all of these, once these dry down, that will be there all day long. When I first got them, the day that I got them, I swatched them on my arm. They did not come off till that night when I was scrubbing them off with micellar water and, you know, putting lotion on and stuff. They finally, the swatches came off. They are absolutely amazing. See? Look how fast it dried down. Bam, bam, bam. Nothing. It will not move. It's going to be there till tonight. I got the colors Queen, Whipped, Why Not, and Spice, and I am going to order more of these. The thing about it is they don't really, I mean, they snap down, but I would not trust them in my purse. There's no way. They've just, even just like sitting on a shelf, I just feel like they're always unsnapping, and I have to snap them back down. But they may not stay snapped, but they'll stay on your lips all day long. I actually, to tell you the truth, I am currently wearing Makeup Forever, and I was testing out a new lipstick that I got. I prefer these, the dollar ones from Shop Miss A, to the Makeup Forever. Next, I got an Intuition razor. It came with 2 razor heads. I always use these. I'm not going to go get it out of the shower. This is what the packaging looks like. That's a picture of what it looks like. I've used these for years. I love them. That is $12.99. And lastly, we got 2 Wet n Wild powder brushes. I needed some more powder brushes. I mean, I don't need them, but I wanted some more because, you know, they get dirty and you need a clean one, and maybe you haven't washed your brushes for a while. Anyways, it was buy one, get the second one 75% off. So one of them was $3.29 and the other one was 82 cents. So my total for all of these products that I bought was $69.29. I'm looking at how many products I bought for that amount, and I am just shocked. I would have guessed closer to $100. There's so many products sitting here. So I'm happy with my results. And like I said, I separated my subscriptions, my ColourPop orders, so those will be separate videos. So I will see you next time. And I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit like, make a comment, see if, you know, look at those Shop Miss A lipsticks and tell me if you've bought them and you think they're as amazing as I think they are. So, anyways, comment, subscribe, like. I'll catch you next time. Bye!